The High Court has dismissed an application by Coast Bus Limited seeking temporary orders to stop Kenya Revenue Authority from interfering with or selling its property over an alleged 28.1 million shillings in tax arrears. Justice Olga Sewe ruled that the application by the bus operator was premature and did not warrant being subjected to a merit analysis, as it had not exhausted all dispute resolution mechanisms by the taxman. The court had that a tax assessment was done by KRA on Coast Bus Limited's income for the period 2015 to 2018 based on the returns made by the bus operator. It was further told that the tax due was assessed at 188.3 million shillings, which the bus operator objected to, and a reassessment was done by the Commissioner for Domestic Taxes that formed the basis of the notice of distress for 28.1 million shillings. The court had Coast Bus did not promptly act on the notice, hence KRA issued instructions to Phillips International Auctioneers, the second respondent, to levy distress in terms of the notice. Justice Sewe said that while an attempt was made by the company to appeal the decision of the commissioner on the alleged tax arrears to the Tax Appeals Tribunal as per the law, the appeal was late. The court noted that the tribunal had advised Coast Bus to seek permission to appeal out of time and show why the appeal could not be filed on time. In its application, Coast Bus said that on August 16, 2021, KRA arbitrarily issued a notice of distress and instructed the auctioneer to seize property for the unsupported amount of 28.1 million shillings, purporting it to be the tax arrears. Through an affidavit of one of its directors, Mohammed Mirza, Coast Bus said it has been willing to offset and settle the rightful taxes due to KRA, and that it was ready to be subjected to an in-depth forensic audit to determine the tax arrears, if any. Coast Bus also submitted that it will amount to irreparable harm if the taxman were to take away its tools of trade before the court could ascertain the actual amount of tax arrears and allow it a chance to repay what is duly owed. KRA, through an affidavit of its officer Francis Gitonga, asserted that the taxes it was claiming were justly due. Gitonga said that Coast Bus ignored the advice given by the officers of the Tax Appeals Tribunal and opted to file the case, thereby failing to exhaust the laid-down procedure for resolving the disputes. KRA further argued that Coast Bus does not have the right to appear in court, since it's challenging its statutory duty to collect taxes that are in arrears. Reporting for the Informer, Catherine Chalo.